Millions of people around the world are affected by chronic kidney disease or CKD. This condition is a silent epidemic, often going unnoticed until it has significantly progressed. CKD gradually impairs kidney function and can lead to serious health complications, including heart disease, anemia, and bone disease. The kidneys, which are vital for filtering waste and excess fluids from the blood, become less efficient over time. While conventional treatments such as dialysis and kidney transplants exist, they are not without their challenges and limitations. Thus, the search for natural remedies continues, offering hope for more accessible and holistic approaches. One such remedy, lemongrass, has shown promising potential in supporting kidney health. This aromatic herb, known for its refreshing citrus scent, is more than just a culinary delight. This tropical herb, commonly used in Asian cuisine, boasts a myriad of medicinal properties. It is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress, a key factor in the progression of CKD. Traditionally, lemongrass has been used to treat various ailments, from digestive issues to fever. Its use in folk medicine spans centuries, highlighting its enduring value. Modern research is now uncovering its potential benefits for CKD patients. Studies suggest that lemongrass may help reduce inflammation and improve kidney function, offering a natural complement to conventional treatments. If you find this information valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights on natural remedies and health tips. This essay will delve into the intricacies of CKD, providing a comprehensive overview of this complex condition. We will explore its causes, symptoms, and conventional treatments, shedding light on the current medical landscape and the challenges faced by patients and healthcare providers. We will then uncover the remarkable properties of lemongrass, examining how its bioactive compounds can support kidney health and potentially slow the progression of CKD. Discover how this miracle herb can be a valuable tool in your journey towards better kidney health. Incorporating lemongrass into your diet or as a supplement could offer a natural way to enhance your well-being. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together, exploring the potential of lemongrass and other natural remedies to bring hope and healing to those affected by chronic kidney disease.
Chronic kidney disease, often called CKD, is a gradual loss of kidney function over time. Your kidneys act like filters. They remove waste and excess fluid from your blood. When you have CKD, your kidneys can't filter your blood effectively. This can lead to a buildup of toxins in your body. CKD is a serious condition. It can progress to kidney failure. This requires dialysis or a kidney transplant. Understanding CKD is the first step in protecting your kidney health. Early detection and management are crucial.
Your kidneys are bean-shaped organs, each about the size of your fist. Despite their small size, they perform incredibly complex and essential functions that keep your body running smoothly. They are located near your lower back on either side of your spine. This strategic positioning allows them to efficiently filter blood and manage waste. These organs play a vital role in keeping you healthy. They are your body's natural filtration system, working tirelessly to remove toxins and maintain balance. They filter your blood, removing waste products like creatinine and urea. This filtration process is crucial for preventing the buildup of harmful substances in your body. These waste products are then excreted in your urine. This not only helps in detoxifying your body, but also in maintaining the right chemical balance. But their function doesn't stop there. Your kidneys are multitaskers, handling several other critical roles. Your kidneys also help control your blood pressure. They achieve this by managing the volume of fluids in your body and releasing hormones that regulate blood pressure. They do this by regulating the balance of salt and water in your body. This balance is essential for keeping your blood pressure within a healthy range. Additionally, they produce hormones that are crucial for red blood cell production and bone health. These hormones ensure that your body has enough oxygen-carrying cells and strong bones. Keeping your kidneys healthy is paramount for overall well-being. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and staying hydrated are key to maintaining their function. Remember, your kidneys are vital for your health, so take good care of them.
Several factors can contribute to the development of CKD. Diabetes and high blood pressure are the leading causes. Other risk factors include heart disease, obesity, smoking, and family history of kidney disease. CKD progresses in stages from stage 1 to stage 5. Stage 1 signifies mild kidney damage. Stage 5 indicates kidney failure. As CKD progresses, you may experience a range of symptoms. These include fatigue, swelling in your legs, ankles or feet, changes in urination, loss of appetite, and difficulty sleeping. Section 5. Conventional approaches to CKD management. Traditional treatment for CKD typically involves managing the underlying conditions. This might include medications to control blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Lifestyle modifications are also crucial. These include following a healthy diet, engaging in regular physical activity, quitting smoking, and limiting alcohol intake. In advanced stages of CKD, dialysis or kidney transplant may become necessary. Dialysis is a procedure that filters the blood externally, removing waste products. A kidney transplant involves surgically replacing the damaged kidney with a healthy one from a donor.
Section 6. Lemongrass, a natural ally for kidney health. As we explore ways to support kidney health, nature offers a plethora of remedies. Lemongrass, a fragrant herb native to Southeast Asia, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries.
Today, it is gaining recognition for its potential benefits for CKD patients. Lemongrass is more than just a culinary ingredient. It is a powerhouse of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and natural diuretics. These properties make it a valuable ally in the fight against CKD.
Section 7. The healing power of lemongrass. Lemongrass contains a potent cocktail of bioactive compounds that contribute to its medicinal properties. Citral, a key component, gives lemongrass its distinct lemon-like aroma and possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These properties help protect the kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. Furthermore, lemongrass acts as a natural diuretic. This means it helps increase urine output, flushing out toxins and excess fluids from the body. This diuretic action can be particularly beneficial for CKD patients. It can help reduce the strain on their kidneys.
Section 8. Brewing your way to better kidney health, a lemongrass tea recipe. Lemongrass tea is not only refreshing, but also packed with health benefits, particularly for your kidneys. Harnessing the power of lemongrass is as simple as brewing a cup of tea. Here's an easy recipe. Ingredients. This aromatic herb is known for its ability to detoxify the body and improve kidney function. 2 to 3 stalks of fresh lemongrass. Make sure to choose fresh green stalks for the best flavor and health benefits. 4 cups of water. Using filtered water can enhance the purity and taste of your tea. Instructions. 1. Wash the lemongrass stalks thoroughly and crush them lightly to release their flavor. 2. Boil the water in a saucepan. Bring it to a rolling boil. 3. Add the crushed lemongrass stalks to the boiling water. Stir gently. 4. Reduce heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. 5. Strain the tea into a cup and enjoy. You can add a touch of honey or lemon to enhance the flavor. Drink this soothing tea 2 to 3 times a day to reap its kidney-boosting benefits. Regular consumption can help maintain kidney health and overall well-being. Enjoy your cup of lemongrass tea and feel the difference it makes.
Section 9. Embrace the power of lemongrass. Incorporating lemongrass into your diet can be a delicious and beneficial way to support your kidney health. Its natural diuretic, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable addition to your CKD management plan. While lemongrass offers a natural approach to kidney health, it's essential to remember that it's not a substitute for conventional medical treatment. Always consult your doctor before making any changes to your CKD management plan.
Section 10. A word of caution. While lemongrass is generally safe for consumption, it's crucial to be aware of potential side effects. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions, such as skin rashes or itching. If you notice any adverse effects, discontinue use and consult your healthcare provider. Pregnant or breastfeeding women and individuals with liver or kidney problems should exercise caution and consult their doctor before consuming lemongrass. It's always better to err on the side of caution. Section 11. Join the lemongrass revolution. As we've explored, lemongrass offers a natural and flavorful way to support kidney health. Its unique properties make it a valuable tool in the fight against CKD. While further research is needed to fully understand its potential, incorporating lemongrass into your diet could be a step towards better kidney health. Share your experience with lemongrass and spread the word about its potential benefits. Together, we can unlock the power of this miracle herb and pave the way for a future where kidney health is within everyone's reach.